Today we'll talk about how to assemble the dining table stool. This is a sample. So when it was made, it was slightly shorter. Now it has been extended and modified to be longer. Actually, the accessories haven't increased much. Only one partition has been added, so the assembly method is the same. Next, we will start assembling. First, this base and this connecting rod. Assemble them together. Align with this lot. Push it in firmly. Make sure this is flush with that. When pushing, do not press down on this spot. Pressing here will break it. So definitely do not press here. Do it this way, not that way. Avoid this position. The same applies here. If there are letters while assembling, face them outward. If the longer version is what you received, there is also an empty space here. You can add another board here. Adding another support will be better. This way will be a bit better. Then this is next to the current platform. And when pressing, it's the same. Do not break it here. Pay attention to this position. After assembling like this, then assemble the two boards next to it. This board can be directly slotted in next. Just slot it in. Push it in firmly to get it in place. The same applies here. We push it into place. Now, pay attention to this position above. The hole's position above is very accurate. We calculated this. This way, it will be in place. It should be even on both sides. If you reverse it, one side will be longer and the other shorter. After it's in place, one side will be longer and the other shorter. So you need to check this yourself. Confirm which way it's facing. Then after confirming, we will align it through this hole. Once it's in, push it out. After it comes out here, we can push it back this way. Then push down firmly to get it in place. After pushing it, check both sides. One side longer and the other. The whole position is off. That means it's right. If it's wrong, just take it back out. Pick it up and change direction. Use the same method. Put it on again. Then push it in. That will get it in place. When you start assembling, since we have an anti-slip ruler added, push a little harder when doing so. Just push harder. Just don't bend it or press down. Especially this position is very weak. This position must be noted. Do not press it down. Pressing down will break it. Other positions are fine. So when assembling, when aligning this hole, make sure to align it, then press down. After aligning, push firmly to ensure it as well. That's how it's assembled. Once assembled, everything should be flush. Alright, this completes the assembly.